In front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this device. First of all, go into Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access Display. Following that, scroll down again. Click on Font Settings and swipe left or right on this slider, the top one, in order to adjust it. You can see a preview above. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!